Hey friends, today we're coloring an airplane. Let's make it super colorful. I'm going to pick a bright color, like red. Have you ever been on an airplane before? I have. They can be so much fun. And you can get places that you want to go a lot faster. Sometimes we take cars to get places, sometimes we take a bus, sometimes we take a train. And when we have to go really far, we want to get there really fast, we can take an airplane. Right now we're just going to color the body of the airplane, and then we'll do the wings. The body's all done. Good job. What color should we do the wings? Should we use the same color or should we try a different one? Let's try a different one. Let's do this part yellow and maybe this part blue. I'm going to start with the yellow. Uh-oh, I went outside the line. That's okay. I didn't mean to go outside the line, but sometimes we make mistakes. And when we make mistakes, it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes sometimes. I know I sure have made a lot of mistakes. I try not to, but I guess that's why they call it a mistake. We didn't mean to do it, but sometimes it happens. Uh-oh, I almost forgot my other wings. Our airplane is looking so good. Have you ever looked up into the sky and seen an airplane? It's pretty crazy that you can look up and still see airplanes. Now, let's do the rim. We're going to do it blue. I better be careful. I'm gonna make my yellow wings turn blue if I go over. Actually, they would turn green, because if you mix the colors blue and yellow, you get green. I think we'll do this piece blue too. I think we'll do this back part here red. And the seat red. And we'll do this one red. And the nose of the plane red. Can you say red? Red. Let's do the propeller. We're gonna do it yellow. And we'll do this piece here yellow too. Now we have the legs for the wheels. Which color? Let's do blue again. And our airplane has a tongue. I was going to use red, but you know what? I'm going to use pink. Now we need to color our clouds. I have a really light purple color. Or maybe... let's go for an even lighter color, blue. And I'm just gonna go around and color the sides. This one we will color in. Okay, what do we have left? We have the word airplane. Let's do our airplane word all different colors. So I'm going to make my A the color red. Can you say red? Great job! Red. Red like an apple. Or in this case, like our airplane. Then I'm going to count down 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make letter 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter 4, our P, also red. Then we're going to count down again. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to make our N red. What else is the color red? Where I live, stop signs are the color red. Maybe they are where you live too. Next, let's do our eye, and we're going to use the color yellow. And we know that we're doing yellow after our red letters. So there's a red letter, and we're going to do yellow again. And then then we're going to find our next red letter, and we're going to do yellow after that one, which is our E. E like elephant. Now, which color should we use for the R and the A? Well, we have a couple colors in our plane. We have yellow, we have red, and we have, yeah, that's right, blue. So let's make our R and our A the color blue. All done. Now let's do our A. A for airplane. Wow, it looks so good. Now it can zoom all around the sky, all colorful. Great job coloring, friends. We'll see you next time.